Hi, my name is Kira. If you're new here, I like to do fashion, beauty, lifestyle kind of content here on YouTube. If you're not new here, hello. There you are again, looking like a literal star. Beautiful. I feel like I look nervous because I'm about to expose my literal mess. Um, so in today's video, which was very requested, I'm actually going to not only just show you like a tour of what my closet currently looks like, but I'm also going to clean it out basically. I'm actually going to go through everything, declutter stuff, figure out like what I want to sell on my Depop. So, if you would like to see a preview of what's going to be going on my Depop, you'll see that, I guess. And like what I actually want to keep and like what items I may just, be donating or whatever. Anyway, let me just go ahead and show you what my closet currently looks like, the organization that's currently going on, so you can get an understanding of like where we're going. Alright, so a tour of what's currently going on in this jungle. So as you walk in, the first thing on this is the left side, is all of like my belts, harnesses, accessories like that. I also have outfits and some items that I need to alter, but these are outfits that you probably have already seen on my Instagram because I normally like plan them out in advance of like what outfits are coming. So you'll have already seen these. But outfits that like I have picked out. Here's my shoe rack or first one of like shoes. These are the ones I usually reach for like the most. That's why they're like the closest and easiest to reach. But as you can see, outfits that I planned out, pulled out on this side, kind of cover all of my shoes, which prevents me from actually getting to the second shoe rack that's here. My bralettes and a few pairs of the few pairs of blue jeans I own and like a pair of shorts that I kind of want to alter, but I've tried altering them before, and every single time I've tried, I feel like they never look like what I want them to look like. So I'm like on my last ditch effort here. I'm gonna try one more time, and if they don't turn out right, we may just have to donate. Here is like clothes that are like business casual. Like when I worked in an office, these are the kinds of clothes that I would wear that can't really transition to my normal wardrobe now because they're not really like casual. Some of them I have worn casually, but I find that I'm not really wearing them casually because they feel too officey. So I don't really wear those items all the time because I don't work in an office. These are all of my band tees in here. They started out folded. You can see some of them are folded. They're no longer all folded. Oh geez. They're all of my black jeans, skinny jeans. They're supposed to be separated. Black jeans, maxi skirts, patterned pants, or like leather pants. But as you can see, it just looks like a conglomerate of here are my bags. These are ones I've been wanting to use more. So there's like my fanny pack, my clear bag. Those are like travel bags and stuff. Then I have beanies, my scarves. That's a wig head. My actual wigs. And then coming down over here, we have crop tops, and then to tank tops, and then like bustier tops. My sleeveless tank tops, bodysuits, fishnet kind of tops, and then like mesh tops, crop tops, but like long sleeve crop tops, baby tees, longer actual like t-shirts that are like t-shirts but not band tees because those are different. Then like other like collared shirts, sleeved like 3/4 sleeved shirts, then cropped like hoodies. It just kind of goes like in length basically. If you even like look at it, kind of goes in length. And then there's like my long sleeves, my flannels, my button downs that I wear. One of these actually I feel like should go in there because this one I don't wear casually because the material of it doesn't feel casual at all. And I have like this shirt that my friend actually gave to me a while ago because it didn't fit her. It's like an off the shoulder leather shirt, whatever. Christmas decorations. That doesn't matter. Then we have like formal dresses, my blazer, all of my dresses. And this is not actually in any specific order when it comes to dresses. The only difference is it goes like dresses, and then at the end of this is all my maxi dresses, and that's it. Then we have cardigans in their very arranged color, not really. And then we have all of my sweaters, which you can see I have way more black sweaters than actual colored sweaters. Also, I feel like people asked me the one time I
wore this sweater in a video, and a bunch of people were asking me where the sweater's from. I don't actually know the name of the store because I got it from my dad's closet. This is literally from the 90s, so I don't know where it's actually from. Yeah, it's older than me, so. And then we have into like outerwear and jackets and stuff. So here's like my hoodies, other miscellaneous like lighter jackets, and then jean jackets or jean style jackets, and then leather jackets. This one's back here because it's more like oversized, so it fits bigger. And then there's like my heavier, like longer jackets. These are my shorts. They're all very short. And then here's all of like my mini skirts, because my maxi skirt's over here. These are my mini skirts. And that's basically my closet. The floor of my closet also looks terrible. We're not really gonna go into that at the moment, but that's kind of what's going on here. And it just feels like it's cluttered. It's a lot, and I feel like there's a lot of items in here that like I've had for a while, but I don't actually like reach for. And considering the fact that like I've been inside for, I don't know, like most of 2020, I've had the opportunity to wear pretty much everything in my closet, and I still haven't. So it almost feels like there's no excuse to keep it if I haven't worn it by now. And like, take everything out of here.
Just put on pants, like actual pants, because I'm chilly. Please, Luna, do not cry. I just closed up your door. So at this point, of course, this is not everything, and I also did not think this through thoroughly, of the fact that I'm going to have to separate things out into what I'm keeping, what I'm possibly just going to share, just donate, or what I may be selling. I think I might just do 2 piles of like what I'm keeping and like what I want to get rid of, and then the pile of stuff that I want to get rid of, I'll then go through that like at the end. Luna, you're gonna cry, aren't you? Why are you like this? Why are you building? Oh, okay. Basically all of my outerwear, sweaters, dresses, skirts, shorts, and that's it. That's all that's in this, on the bed currently. The whole bed, basically. I'm gonna try to throw things over into like a pile, general pile over in that direction of stuff that I may be getting rid of. But I'm gonna quickly just try to go through majority of this, then just going to kind of speed through things, and I'll check in with you whenever I have a comment about whatever I'm getting rid of, or if I have like a funny like story or whatever. But I want to keep the video short, so I'm not going to talk about every single item. If you have any questions about like any particular item that I'm showing, let me know, and I will go ahead and respond and let you know where I got the item from. I'm actually like 100% gonna keep these. It wouldn't have mattered how long I touched these. I was 100% gonna keep them. As you can see, I'm now in leggings, but these are like fleece. So I also can kneel here as well. Great. I'm actually going to keep these. I thrifted these, but like they're the best fitting shorts I've ever found. In the sense where like they're the perfect amount of high-waisted. Yeah, they're like really short, but like I like that about them. I remember when I first saw them, I was so excited because I had tried them on before at the actual H&M retail store, and originally I think they're like $20, and I tried them on and was like, there's barely any short here. Why is it $20? What? So I didn't buy them retail, and I did like them. I liked them a lot. So when I saw them while I was thrifting one day and they were in my exact size, I was like, this is amazing. I think these were like $6. That's more feasible. I mean, look how much short is here. How much? Really? of these next few items are actually like new to my closet. If you haven't seen it already, before this video actually goes up, you should, I think it should be up. It should be uploaded by then. Is my recent pickups. I'm trying to remember what side it's gonna be up, but it's gonna be in the eye up here. So if you haven't seen that video, these next few items are kind of in that. So since I just got them, I know I still like them. It doesn't really make sense to like even really debate because I know I'm gonna keep them. So yeah, we're just gonna. Oh gosh, yeah. I think all of these next few items are like newer items, or like new enough where it's like I haven't had them long enough to even have to debate upon if I'm keeping them or not. I used to really like burgundy. There was a period of time when I was kind of first starting to find my style of like the extra colors that I would have in my closet. It was just only like black, gray, white / like cream, burgundy, and like olive green. So this is actually a really nice like sweater. The thickness of it's really nice. The only issue with it is literally the color. That sounds like such a first world issue. Oh my god. But it's burgundy. I actually tried to style this fairly recently on my Instagram. If I can, I'll try to insert a picture of it. And I paired it with like a mesh see-through like dress or button-up shirt underneath, and I liked how that outfit looked. But if I'm being perfectly honest, I don't think I would have reached for the sweater if it hadn't been for the simple fact that I saw it in my closet and realized I hadn't worn it in a while. And there hasn't really been a reason as to why I haven't worn it. It's been chilly outside. I actually like wearing sweaters, and this is not one of the sweaters I ever reach for. So I'm gonna say no. Also, there's a very sentimental story to this one. I'm going to very briefly share it because why the hell not? If I decide to cut it out later, I can. This is an Mice Men hoodie. This was actually, I believe, a birthday gift one year from one of my really good friends in high school. Me and him don't really talk anymore, but that's because once I graduated, I fell into a pit of depression. And I think he went to college somewhere out of state, like the year after. But this was a birthday gift that he gave to me, and I remember literally sitting on the school bus crying because I had been wanting this hoodie for like the 2 years previous, and I could just never afford to actually get it myself because I also didn't start working until I was 18. And growing up with my family, they weren't super keen upon me having band merch or like really like wearing the stuff I wanted to wear. I have t-shirts from when I was in high school and stuff, but those came when I actually had like an allowance and was like saving up any spare amount of money I could get to then go to like one trip to Hot Topic and just buy what I wanted. And they couldn't really tell me I couldn't buy it because like it would be money that I'd saved up and had for a while. But I don't think I'll ever get rid of this. One, because I love my smell and I love this hoodie. Even though it's not black, I just really like the coloring on it. I feel like it's really cool. So I will probably never get rid of this, but this is like a definite yes. I just wanted to share that little story. So at this point, we have now gone through all of my jackets, all of my sweaters, all of my dresses. And the pile of stuff we're getting rid of is already looking kind of sizable, and we still have so much more left in my closet to go. So I'm going to go ahead and get everything else out of my closet. Yeah, because now basically at this point we have all of my tops and my pants, and we're going to go through all of those. See what we're going to do. Been a portion of the video that I literally just lost. I'm going to try not to cry. Please support the channel so I can actually afford to get an actual camera, because I currently film on my phone. This happens to me almost every single time that I film a video that's like long, even though most of it's actually going to be sped up for you, the actual part of me filming it, even the parts of me like talking through stuff, you probably haven't seen.
Okay, so now I'm finally done with my closet. It's like 9:37 at night. Oh gosh, I haven't put the outfits that I've planned out yet back up, but that's because I wanted to show like how much more open this whole thing is. Now, I feel like I have so much more closet space. I'm probably not really gonna put anything back in here because now it just feels so much lighter. So I took all of my sweaters off of the hangers and actually folded them. Here are all of my band tees. I went ahead and folded them, very similar to how you would see in like a retail store, because makes sense. I can see the print of the tee, so I know exactly which one this is. Here are my beanies. I only have 2, so that's where those are. The bralettes and stuff in it. Well, I've now hung them up here in the beginning part of my closet, and now this actually holds all of my like extra bags, travel makeup bags and stuff like that, which is a lot more convenient for me. Here are all of my extra hangers from all of the items I've gotten rid of. As I mentioned, these are all my bralettes, bustier tops. I actually decided, because I only have a few white and like one fully gray item, I'm just gonna integrate them in the same sections of items of clothing, because them being sectioned off into, oh, here's my one white shirt, didn't quite make sense, because I found that I wasn't reaching for them, though I like those items and want to keep them, just because they were white. So I'm gonna go ahead and just integrate them into like everything else, so that way it looks more seamless. So when I'm looking for a bustier top, I can actually see this one, so I can actually wear it. And then, you know, just continuing on, and my crop tops, crop tank tops, just normal crops and then tank tops, my bodysuits, see-through shirts, long sleeve crop tops, my 2 like cardigan button-up shirts, and then just kind of continue down the lane of how it kind of used to be before, but just slimmer. We have my fun pairs of like patterned pants and stuff folded up, kind of like how they were before, but actually I used to roll them and like put them in a pile over there, but now they're just folded so they like look more presentable, similar to the band tees. I could see the print of the pant, see what it is, and be able to pull it out. Same kind of like with all of my skirts, and then all of my shorts, and then all of my maxi skirts, and then all of my jeans. Dresses, they're now organized to like small midi or mini dresses, to like longer dresses, more like kind of going in ways of conservative, and then all of my maxi dresses. Then we have my cardigans, all of my black ones, and then my one gray one, my hoodies, my lighter jackets, and my blazer, all of my leather jackets kind of going through, and then to my thicker, longer jackets. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed the whole closet tour, original clean out process, along with the now updated of what my closet actually looks like tour. I really appreciate you guys watching. If you enjoyed this video, please do give it a like. Please subscribe if you want to see more content from me. All of my social media links will be down below in the description bar as well. And yeah, in the meantime, between time, take care.